Ready to run now. Set. And they're away. Now making a break there at the start was Coldstone. Fast away, but just going a little roughly was Parzival, but it's going to take it up. Miller Montana deep out, goes to second. Coldstone after that early break resets quickly, lands third. Rule the Day is ending up fourth. He's one by one. Leo Ray the inside. Then Bush Balladeer. Patience Pays goes back to the tail. The lead time 3.6 out in front now. It's Miller Montana. Takes over and leads the way. Parzival second. Coldstone third. Rule the Day fourth. Leo Ray the inside. Bush Balladeer and Patience Pays is at the tail. It's Indian File the order, first section, 28.7. Miller Montana in front, leads the way 6 metres. Parzival is second, Coldstone third, Rule the Day fourth, then Leo Ray, Bush Balladeer. Patience Pays is at the tail. They go to the turn out of the straight with 900 metres left to run. Miller Montana's doing it nicely in front. Leads the way 5 metres. Parzival second, Coldstone third, Rule the Day fourth, then Leo Ray, Bush Balladeer and Patience Pays. 31.6 the second split. Easy going there for the leader. Miller Montana heads down the back straight for the final time, showing the way 5 metres. In second spot, Parzival. Coldstone third, yet to make a move. Then Rule the Day, Leo Ray, Bush Balladeer. Patience Pays not going well at the tail. It's 8 metres away. Down the back straight, Miller Montana in front. Still leads the way by a clear margin of 5 metres. Parzival second, Coldstone third. Then Rule the Day, Leo Ray, Bush Balladeer, Patience Pays. Third quarter, 29.8. Up towards the turn, Miller Montana. Tackled strongly by Parzival. Made the move, swept up on the outside of Miller Montana. Coldstone was tracking up behind Parzival. Made a break, Rule the Day fours deeper. Leo Ray the inside, then Bush Balladeer and Patience Pays. Parzival with the lead, trying to rally on the inside. Miller Montana making ground. Leo Ray with Rule the Day. Leo Ray takes the lead. Rule the Day tries hard, but Leo Ray gets in, defeating Rule the Day. Photo third, Parzival or Miller Montana. Next in Bush Balladeer, Coldstone. Patience Pays was at the tail. 30.3 was the final quarter. The mile rate 2 minutes, 0.2. 2.4 the overall time. Mile rate 2 minutes, 0.2. 2.4, 2 minutes, 0.2. 3.6, 28.7. 31.6, 29.8 and 30.7. It's 1537, 1537. Those numbers confirmed. 2.4, 2 minutes, 0.2.